Hello, it's Brandy Davison here, member of the Scrap Shotz Design Team, myself, my sister, and our sister in scrapbooking who have a blog and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Oh, I think we got rid of our Twitter actually. All those great accounts where we just share our love for scrapbooking together through Scrap Shotz. I'm here today, my first unboxing. I'm so super excited as a design team member for Scrap Shotz. Scrap Shotz is a company based out of Calgary, Alberta, Canada. So go Canada, woo woo. And it's an online store as well as a kit club, and she does like pop-up stores and crops and all these just super cool stuff. So very, very fun company, pretty local. I'm originally from Alberta, so that feels kind of cool. And just a really great online store. And Sandy, who runs the show, is her business. Will do anything for you. She's ordered some crazy things for me before, so I quite enjoy that I get to work with these guys. So my design team, I guess, job this month is to use the kit. So there is a monthly kit subscription, and in this month's monthly kit subscription, if you subscribe, and you don't have to subscribe month by month, lots of people do, you can go back and buy past kits, all that good stuff. So kind of the model that you're looking for. But it is generally a subscription-based service. And in my kit this month is, no joke, I can't even believe it, Pink Fresh Studio Indigo Hills 2 collection. This is that purpley collection that came out late last year, I want to say. It was last year. I think it was late last year though, just trying to have creativation of this year on my mind. Just recently watching too many YouTube videos. And this collection was all purples and florals and gorgeous and wonderful. And oh, I wanted to get my hands on it. And I cannot believe, I am so excited that this is the kit for my first month with Scrap Shotz. That's their kit this month that everyone's receiving. So I thought I would do a little unboxing video and just, you know, share my excitement with you all before I start cutting it apart and gluing it all up and making projects. So here we go. So this is what's included in the kit this month. So what isn't Pink Fresh but goes beautifully with this is from Prima Marketing, and this is the Sade and Crystals. And hopefully there's not too much glare from my window. It's actually sunny here in Vancouver, BC, which is super weird and odd. We also have a little bit of snow, also odd. So I'm not really sure how to deal with the sun anymore because I haven't had it since I moved here from Alberta. So those are crystals, and those have some dimension to them, and they're gorgeous. All in the blue is a dead tint of purple there and a bit of navy as well. And you'll see as I go throughout how fabulously those are going to match the rest of the kit. So included as well is the ephemera pack from Indigo Hills 2, and I'll just do a little close up here on what you can see that's included in there. So very, very cool. Now at the end of the video, I will show you just a sped up version of me pulling these apart so you can see exactly what's in there in a little bit more detail. So very nice. Love the rainbow. Also as well is the phrase stickers. And so these are just, wow. Actually, I can be nice to each other. Oh, that's so cute. Seek beauty in the chaos, and I'll tell you about it. Wonderful. So there's 44 pieces. So there's a front and a back. Love the triangle shape. Oh my goodness, I didn't even see those before. And I'm always about a circle. So these are just absolutely wonderful. So those will be great. And they have a little bit of a dimension, but they're just a sticker that's kind of got more of a cardstocky type feel to it. So no shine to them is kind of guess what I'm saying. Also included is the mini puffy alpha stickers. So there's 432 pieces in here. This is crazy. This is how mini they are. And I'll put my hand there so you can see how big or how small they are. And so you get the 4 colors that come with the collection. And there are no numbers, but there's all these extra letters for the ones that you run out of all the time. You know, the S, the R, the T, the E's. So that's wonderful. I swear they could sell collections of just E's to match all the collections of any alpha and be able to use them a lot more. As well included is the puffy stickers. So these are 23 pieces. So what you see here, this is one-sided, and really great. Again, puffy, a bit of dimension to these, which is fabulous. A couple of sayings. And then I love that the Pink Fresh always has these small little tiny pieces to just tuck in the little spot that you'd like, je ne sais quoi, I'm not sure what's required there, but something. As well included are the gold foiled wood stickers. So wow, these are actually wood. That's crazy to me. I actually couldn't tell that on some of the Instagram stuff I've been seeing. And they've got quite a bit of dimension and pop to them, so that's fabulous. And again, those same colors. And in this case, we're bringing in the gold, which is just great. So this is the kind of the gold piece. I think somewhere in my stash, I actually have the Pink Fresh Gold's font letters that might go beautifully with this. So, ooh, and some stash busting. I love when that happens. So onto the paper. So I can't believe the amount of paper that you get in these kits. It's just fabulous. You could do whole albums with the kits that Sandy provides. So here we go. How great is that? So with the kits, you get both pattern paper as well as some matching cardstock. So I'll pop through the papers first from the collection so that you can see. So this one here is the Pink Fresh Indigo Hills. Oh my goodness. That is fabulous. I love a geometric. This is great too, like a picture here. That's going to be good. I'm just going to put those aside there. Also Indigo Hills, this guy here. Great botanical small flower, a bit of kind of a watery color in there. Love, love, love the navy. Navy and purple to me just go fabulously together. Oh wow, and look at that. Oh, and then you can see in some of these they're really trying to bring in that yellow, which is definitely in the puffy stickers and the stickers. So that's great. Love that. Oh, pretty. There we go. So really trying to like provide a good background, not just solid patterns in this collection. So this is Indigo Hills 2 as well, and this is Glen. Oh, look at that. Ooh, fussy cutting. Ooh, or a solid. That's a good one. I like that one. That's really good. This is the Meadow. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love circles. That is absolutely fabulous. And I love the touches of watercolor out here. Great, great, great. Oh, I love this one. You could do so many things with this. Oh, that's fabulous. And that's that deep, deep purple. Again, it's like a touch of navy in there, but it still has that purple tint. And they just, oh, look so good. Oh, this is good stuff. Eminence, it's called. So a bit of a, I think a chevron, but it reminds me of like tire tracks. And what I like is anytime I can find a paper that I can also do kind of more masculine pages is really helpful. And I think this is one of those. So while it's in a fairly feminine looking kit, I don't think we're limited here. Same with that one. That is gorgeous. Oh, look at that transition. Hello. Oh, this bright purple. Well, not bright, you know what I mean. Brighter, more vibrant purple, I think is the one I'm looking for. Called Gorge. Love the botanical background. Like, it's just fabulous. Oh, isn't that great? That is really good. I love that kind of browny gray color. I like that. That's good stuff. So here we're bringing in the, I don't know what shape that is. Like not a hexagon. I'm sure there's a name for that shape. But this is where I love that it matches those, the gold foiled wood stickers. So you can kind of replace some of those or augment those. Be really good. Love that they're just to sketch the flowers there. And then, oh, another transition page. That is fabulous. That's really great. With just the tiny little details of watercolor there that you can see. Pink Fresh just got it going on. And this is Mesa. Wow, that's pretty. I really like the viney kind of flowers, but the leaves they brought into this instead of just straight up flowers. Oh, and that's pretty. Again, another page that you could go masculine on, 100%. Especially if you brought in those yellows and that navy color. That could be really fun. Okay, so those are the pattern papers. So you can see 2, 4, 6, 8 pattern papers built in here. I mean, this is an album. Let's talk about it. This is great. And then the pattern papers that are coming in, and I'm just going to pull up this piece of paper up here so you can see how well that they coordinate with this kit. And of course, with this kit, any deep navies, blacks, whites are going to go really great. And I think there's this kind of an assumption that we have those in our kits, right? Those are pretty standard. So generally, the papers that you're going to get from Scrap Shotz are going to be of the colored variety, so that you can really have a bit of fun with what you're looking at. And maybe aren't colors that you would normally kind of stockpile, if you will. Because I can tell you right now, I do not have orange paper. I'm so glad she sent that to me. So here we go. So included is the turquoise, I'll read the English version. So this is like that greenish color, and you can see here that it's got that directly thrown from there. So that's fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. And then here we are, this is apricot. And again, you can see we're pulling in these pieces, just so well matched, so well matched. And then we've got a couple of pieces. Oh, there's 2 of each of those, by the way, I should mention. And we've got a couple of pieces here of the Typhoon. I love that name. And this is that kind of the navy-ish sort of purplish color that I was talking about. That kind of not one or the other, but a little bit of both. This one definitely leans toward the bluer side, like that more navy side, which is great. And this is called Wild Pansy. Oh, that's cute. And then here you can see that's pulling in that purple as well. So the combo of these is really in that flower here, which is just great. So those are the cardstock, the pattern, and then of course, as I mentioned, all of these guys come in there too, so absolutely fabulous. And then if you're interested, stay on for a couple more seconds, maybe a minute. We'll see how, when I speed it up, how long it is, and I'll open these up for us as well. If you're done now, that's totally good. I would encourage you to visit Scrap Shotz. They're online, they're on Facebook. Check out their store, check out their kits, come join our Facebook community, and they're on Instagram as well. All of the links, of course, will be included down in the bottom, and then I will be inundating my Instagram account as well as Scrap Storian's Instagram account and Facebook and all those great things with the creations I make from this kit. So that there is the February kit for Scrap Shotz. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.